Goodbye.
Hello.
Blue, green, black, red, yellow, white.
It. Red. It is red. They. White. They are white. Is. It is yellow. They are green.
The sun is yellow. The egg is blue. The apple is yellow. The sky is blue.
The fish is red. The fish are red. The bicycle is yellow. The bicycles are yellow.
The flowers are small. The dog is big. The flowers are big. The dog is small.
Have red flowers. I have red flowers. Have red flowers. You have red flowers. He has red flowers. Has red flowers. She has red flowers. Have red flowers. We have red flowers. Have red flowers. They have red flowers.
What are you doing?
I am writing.
What are you doing?
I am driving.
Are you a doctor?
Yes, I am a doctor.
Are you a doctor?
No, I am not a doctor.